In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw crypto from Revolut to a wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your funds safely and what to look out for before you hit confirm. Start by opening the app and heading to the crypto tab. Make sure your app is up to date and you have a stable internet connection. The crypto tab is where all your supported coins and balances live, and it's the starting point for any transfer out to an external wallet. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Take a moment here to confirm that the wallet you're sending to supports the exact same coin and, if applicable, the same network. Some assets can exist on multiple networks, and sending to the wrong one can result in a permanent loss. When in doubt, check your destination wallet's receive screen to see the supported network and address type. Tap Send. Depending on your version, you may see options like sending to a contact or to an external wallet. You want the option that lets you send to a wallet address outside the app. This ensures the transfer goes on-chain rather than staying within the platform. Enter or paste the wallet address you're sending to, or tap the QR icon to scan the address directly from your other wallet's receive screen. After pasting or scanning, carefully review every character of the address. If the coin requires an additional memo, tag, or note, be sure to include it exactly as shown by your destination wallet. Missing or incorrect tags can cause your funds to be unrecoverable. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible once sent. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. You can type a specific amount or choose your available balance if there's a max option. Keep in mind there may be minimum withdrawal amounts and network fees. The app will usually show you the estimated fee and the final amount the recipient will get. Tap Review Transfer to see a summary. Pause here and double check the coin, the network, the destination address, the amount, and the fee. If anything doesn't look right, go back and edit before proceeding. Finally, tap Confirm to complete the transaction. You may be asked to verify with your usual security method. Once confirmed, the transfer will be broadcast to the network. Processing times vary by blockchain congestion, so give it a little time. You can monitor the status in your transaction history, and some versions let you copy a transaction ID to view it on a block explorer. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn crypto to an external wallet. For larger amounts, consider doing a small test transaction first, and always double check the address and network.